The small city of the same name grew up around Hot Springs National Park. Now let's take a scenic mountain drive. After many hairpin turns, we finally make it to the mountain tower. It's an elevator ride up to the museum level. Next level up is an open-air observation deck where there's 360-degree views. I stop down below to fill up my water jug, and then it's off to Bathhouse Row. The Fordyce Bathhouse has been converted into the visitor center and museum. Now it's off to a walk on the Grand Promenade, which is behind Bathhouse Row, and below the imposing former Army-Navy hospital building. The green boxes cover where the springs emerge from the ground. This hot spring pool is in the park directly across from the Arlington Hotel. Where spring water is piped into the bathtubs. Back in town, directly across from Bathhouse Row, is the Ohio Club, said to be the oldest bar in Arkansas. We sat at Al Capone's table. Cheers! We had a fantastic dinner at Vault Restaurant, which is in the former bank building. They have a full mocktail menu, even a smoked old-fashioned. One last look at downtown Hot Springs, and we headed out to where we were staying. It's about a half an hour's drive away to beautiful Lake Catherine State Park.